What's up everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be demoing a 500 gram Happy Family firework cake called Geometric. It's 25 shots. We got this over there at Intergalactic Fireworks in Langhorne, Pennsylvania. Make sure you check them out. And right here is the performance. Time Rain, Willow, and White Strobe. Time Rain, Willow, and Green Strobe. Time Rain, Willow, and Red Strobe. Time Rain, Willow, and Gold Strobe. And Time Rain, Willow, and Colored Dahlia. Check it out. Let's check out the inside. It's 25 shots, so we got 5 across, 5 back, and they're all vertical. So yeah, that's it. If you guys like this cake, make sure you give the video a thumbs up and comment down your thoughts down below. See you guys.